Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the another hypersensitivity type 2. Actually, type 1 is a antibody mediated, but in type 1 hypersensitivity it is mediated by the IgE immunoglobulin. But type 2 hypersensitivity is mediated by the IgM and also IgG immunoglobulin classes. So actually it is a type of hypersensitivity termed as antibody mediated cytotoxicity. Here, these antibodies reason to the destruction of the cells in the immune system, particularly not belongs to the IgE types of immunoglobulin classes. So IgM and also IgG. So IgM is mean for the mismatched blood group transfusion destructions. IgG is means for the autoimmune blood problems, particularly erythroblastosis foetalis. So what happens in these antibodies, IgG or IgM will adhere or bind to the surface of the blood group. Blood group means it is a antigen. So and leads to the death. So these total process is activated by the complement system. So complement system means these are the small proteins participated in the innate immunity. These proteins generated in the liver and also these complement proteins will activate the actions of the immunoglobulins. In these mismatched blood group transfusions, these complement system activated by the classical pathway mechanism. By these complement system activates by the pathways, but a classical pathway mechanism these are activated. Here, actually, in complement system, 20 complement proteins are there. So these are activated by the classical pathway. Particularly in blood transfusion problem, in 20 these four types of complement proteins C5a, C3b, C8, Ca. These complement proteins will activate the immunoglobulins. So in mismatched blood group transfusion, IgM antibodies will participate. So why these how the different types of blood groups will generate? What is the biochemistry behind these different types of ABO blood groups? First, we particularly these biochemical origin of the blood groups just we seen. So these are the structures of the biochemical structures of the blood groups. So if it is a blood group, it is A blood here for the ficose sugar. So if ficose sugar, it is a ficose sugar. Ficose. So if alone ficose sugar is there, ficose. These are glycomolecules. So for the on the surface of the RBCs, the glycomolecules is there. So fucose is also a glycose molecule. So this fucose sugar is there. It is termed it as O group. Only alone, only fucose sugar is there. It is a O group. So to these fucose sugar, N-acetyl galactosamine is there. It is termed it as A group. It is termed as A blood group. So for the fucose sugar, so here is also a fucose sugar. Galactose glycomolecule is there. It is termed it as B blood group. So for the fucose sugar, galactose, both galactose and N-acetyl galactosamine is there. It is termed it as AB blood group. So if it is a fucose sugar alone is there, it is a O blood group. If it is a N-acetyl galactosamine is there, it is A group. If it is only galactose sugar is there, it is termed as B blood group. So if both contain N-acetyl galactosamine and galactose is there, it is termed as AB blood group. So these glycomolecules is generated by the multiple alleles. So by the multiple alleles, these generated on the surface of the RBCs. So for A blood group in the plasma, this contains anti-B immunoglobulins. B blood group contains anti-A immunoglobulins. So AB blood group did not contain any type of immunoglobulins, but O group contain anti-A and also anti-B immunoglobulins. So these blood-related problems are two types: isoimmune and also autoimmune problems. So you observe here. So isoimmune reaction, it is a blood transfer problem. Autoimmune reactions means it is a different type of immuno reactions, particularly Rh positive and also Rh negative mother. Rh positive father and also Rh negative mother is there. So if the foetus contain positive blood group, that problem is related to the autoimmune reaction. So then we go to the first. So in blood transfusion problem. So blood transfusion problem, particularly mismatched blood group transfusion problem. So if a person passes A blood group, by mistakenly if we transfuse B blood group, so in A blood group person contains anti-B immunoglobulins. So these are anti-B immunoglobulins. These are activated by the complement proteins. So complement protein by the classical pathway. So complement protein, particularly 20 types of proteins are there in these. Just 4 will participate in this blood transfusion problem. So these immunoglobulins are belongs to the IgM type. So IgM type. So but these immunoglobulins, IgM type immunoglobulins contain different types of paratopes. So different types of paratopes according to the glycomolecules. So these will destruct the RBCs. So these will attach to the adhere to the surface of the RBCs, and also complement system will activate and leads to the agglutination. So in autoimmune diseases, so if a Rh positive male person married a Rh negative female person, for the if after that they get female person get pregnant, what happens if a fetus contain positive blood group? What happens? Antibodies will generated against to the positive antibodies. So Rh positive, what is Rh positive? What is Rh negative? The protein which is present in the rhesus monkeys, the same protein, if a man contain, he turned it as Rh positive. If that protein did not present in the human being, he turned it as Rh negative. So here, if a person, male person married positive person married a negative woman, what happens for their first pregnancy? So antibodies against to that positive blood group fetus generated. These are belongs to the in these erythropoiesis IgG type immunoglobulins will IgG type immunoglobulins will participate. So in mismatched blood group transfusion that are IgM. These are IgG type. So also for first pregnancy there is no problem. After second pregnancy, these will what is called activated more and also make agglutination of the fetus blood group. So that's why to prevent this, immunosuppressors will give you. Immunosuppressors will rogam type immunosuppressors will give. So isoimmune reactions belongs to the ABO blood group transfusion. Autoimmune belongs to the erythroblastosis polyposis.